Hey, Sam, I heard it's your birthday next week. Did you get yourself a present yet?
No, not yet. I usually don't buy myself gifts.
Well, I got you a little something. It's a cool watch. I hope you'll like it.
Wow, Mark, that's a great surprise. I've always wanted a stylish watch.
I remembered you mentioning it a while back, so I thought it would be a nice gift.
I really appreciate it. You didn't have to do this.
It's your special day, Sam, and you're a great friend. I wanted to make it special.
Thanks, Mark. I'm looking forward to the watch and the celebration.
You're welcome, Sam. Speaking of the celebration, do you have any plans for your birthday?
I wasn't planning anything big, maybe just a quiet dinner with a few friends.
How about this? I'll organize a surprise birthday party for you. It will be a blast.
A surprise party? That sounds exciting, but are you sure?
Absolutely. I'll invite our close friends, and we can all celebrate together.
That's incredibly kind of you, Mark. I'm touched.
It's the least I can do for a friend like you. It's going to be an unforgettable birthday.
I'm looking forward to it, Mark. Thanks again for the thoughtful gift and the surprise party plan.
Can you please tell me if there are any words that you found difficult? If so, write those words in the comments.